doing a non-wing mini sprint with some dark graphics. That dark grays are really hard to see when you're putting it on black until you take the tape off, and then you see what you did right or did wrong. So the challenge is when you have sprint cars, mini sprints, they have this lip where the driver's shoulder is and elbow hits, so it's usually spread out from the car. So there's usually about a 3 to 4 inch gap of a panel right here. You don't want to take your graphic and go up and over. You want to cut it so it looks like it flows right, so it doesn't look like it just bunches up and goes up. So what we did here is we took it and we trimmed the panel out, so then that way you can then push the rest of this back down, and then you're not having to work in that huge gap the whole time. The hard part is lining up and make sure all your edges are going the right way.
All right, Nate, save the vlog.
Why? That's not my job.
Just taping decals. For Friesen performance?
You know what they do?
Do I know what they do?
Yeah.
They're performance vehicle parts and racing.
Yep. That's it. So, what do your family think about your bio video?
I don't know. I don't know if any of them really watched it. I know my grandma watched it.
Grandmas are key. They account for 95% of our viewership.
Really? I can see it. Shout out to all the grandmas out there.
Come back when I've got something on the printer.
When's that gonna be?
Momentarily. I'm going to be trying to print a 15-ounce banner stand print, so we're going to experiment with new material.
I don't know. I'm working. I don't know much more than that. These kids are doing the worst times. Is there anything exciting right now?
Monster decals, those are exciting.
Yeah. That exciting. Setting it up for production.
I am working on an order for this gentleman, and he's getting some regulation numbers, truck numbers, and semi-truck lettering so he can get his out on the road.
Oh, make sure we get your picture back here too.
We'll turn this way. So Josh, both you and I had a sneak peek of Trey Grapes.
Trey Grapes.
So Josh, both you and I had a sneak peek of Trey Grapes' race car this year. Looks pretty sweet.
Yeah, turned out, I mean, it's gonna be pretty loud. I told him, I joked with him that after I got done weeding it, I had to go sit in a dark room because my eyes were pretty much burned.
A lot of fluorescent on it. It's gonna look sharp on the racetrack. So if you want to see it, get out to Eagle Raceway this summer. Talking to.
This is Ian. He is our newest employee, newest family member at Harris.
How you liking it so far?
Love it.
Ian, where are you from?
Blair, Nebraska.
20 questions with Ian now?
Might as well. Just keep them coming.
Okay, so we go here because of the measurements opposed to just what we...
Yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing over here. A couple banners on our 15-ounce banner material. This is a special type of material that we use for banner stands, or our retractable banner stands that you guys got to see earlier a few weeks ago, I think. And this is for Stonebrook exteriors.
What's up, guys? This week we are working on a t-shirt order for Destin Whitney. This is his 2018 race car t-shirt. It's an 8-color job. Right now I'm in the process of getting everything registered and lined up correctly. So now once I get all these colors lined up, I'm going to start adding the other 2 in. Alright, so I got the sample shirt all complete. It's going through the dryer right now behind me. We just need the customer to come in and approve the item, and we'll be ready to go.
Subscribe, everyone. Come on, what are you waiting for?